Okay, my students. Hey, it's Friday already. Holy cheese in a bucket. Now, let's go ahead and do the homework. 2 squared of 6 cannot do anything because 6 does not have a perfect square in it. Square root of 36 is 6. They don't both have a square root and they both don't have same radicand, so we're done. This one can't do anything with square root of 3. But 300 is 103. 100 is a perfect square. It's 10 times 10. So this would be 10 square root of 3. They both have square roots. They both have a radicand of 3. So you just combine the numbers out front. It's 15 square root of 3. Notice this does not change. Does not change. This one, 24 is 4 and 6. 4 is a perfect square. 600 is 106. Let's bring it up. So it'd be 2 square root of 6 plus 10 square root of 6. Same square root, same radicand, so it's 12 square root of 6. 20 is 4 and 5. 45 is 9 and 5. So you'd have 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 is 5 square root of 5. Woohoo. Now 28 is 4 and 7. 72 is 36 and 2. So we would have 3 times 2 times square root of 7. This would be a 6 square root of 2. 3 times 2 is 6. But notice we have different radicands. That's 2, that's 7, so can't combine it. Now what I want to do today is review. So, do those 4 problems for me right now. If you need to turn it off to do them, that's fine. Then turn me back on. Okay, here we go. Square root of 9. 3 times 3 is 9, so square root of 9 is 3. Minus 4. Remember, you divide the power by 2 if it's square root. 25 square root of is 5, so it's 15. That should be very quick, very quick. Then... okay, this is not as nice. So turn this off or freeze it and then do it and then turn me back on. 18 is 9 and 2. So it'd be 3 square root of 2. You gotta break it up. Take an x off so we have an even power. So it's x to the 8 square root of x. And this one, you gotta break it up into 2 parts. 50 is 25 and 2 odd powers, so I got to break off an x. So this would be 5x to the 15th square root of 2x. Do those 3 for me, please. Okay, so square root is square root of the 12. 2 times 6. 12 is 4 and 3, so it's 2 square root of 3. This is 2 times 5 is 10. Square root of 3 is square root of 9. But wait a minute, square root of 9 is 3. So it's 30. Here we have 2 times 3 is 6. Square root of 18. But 18 is 9 and 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So it'd be 18 square root of 2. And then do the last set of problems here. Oops, we'll move that over. So 2 square root of 5 squared. You square both terms. So it'll be 4 times 5 is 20, because 5 squared is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Then 8 is 4 and 2. 200 would be 102. So it's 2 square root of 2 plus 10 square root of 2, which is 12 square root of 2. Woohoo! So 50 is 25 and 2. 27 is 9 and 3. 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3. And the radicands are different, so you cannot combine them. Last one, square root of 75 is 25 and 3. 300 is 103. So it'll be 5 square root of 3 plus 10 square root of 3. So it's 15 square root of 3. So I think we're doing pretty good so far if you're understanding this, which is always a big if. Now we got a quiz. It's due by Sunday at noon. Not 12:05, not 12:30, by Sunday at noon. So if I were you, I'd actually do it Saturday, especially if you have a slow internet. Now, I'm going to attach it to the Schoology. It's going to be quiz 1. So, when you have time, it's not there yet. But I'm going to put it on Schoology, send it back on Schoology. Now, if you don't know how to do that, send it to my email, murphyp@divinechildhighschool.org. But I'm going to try this, see if it works. Now, if I can't get it to work, I might have to change something. But, so Schoology quiz. That's your homework for the weekend. And it is a quiz. It'll be about 100 points, probably, somewhere in there. But you'll see it by tomorrow afternoon. I'll see ya.